We are tracking the latest developments now in the Aaron Hernandez murder trial.
Today, the jury heard about text messages Hernandez sent to Lloyd hours before Lloyd's killing, as well as testimony from a housekeeper who claims she saw the former Patriot tampering with his surveillance system.
Eyewitness News reporter Susan Campbell joins us now live from Fall River Superior Court with the latest developments.
The housekeeper admits she doesn't know exactly what Aaron Hernandez was doing with that surveillance camera, but she says he was fiddling with it for about 5 minutes. In the days before Lloyd was killed, he and Aaron Hernandez exchanged several text messages and calls. On the stand, a T-Mobile employee authenticated that phone activity and read a text Hernandez sent Lloyd about 6 hours before he was shot to death.
I'm coming to grab that tonight. You gone, be around. I need that, and we could step for a little again.
We also heard from Glaucia Santos, a housekeeper who was working at Hernandez's home the day after Lloyd was killed. She testified through an interpreter that she saw Hernandez fiddling with the surveillance camera in his basement.
He was using his hands from 3 to 5 minutes up on that camera.
Did you pick up any broken glass around the camera?
No.
Pick up any broken plastic around the camera?
No.
The defense also tried to poke holes in her story by showing a floor plan of the basement and implying Santos wouldn't have been able to see the camera from the bathroom where she was cleaning. All of the text messages between Lloyd and Aaron Hernandez were recovered from Lloyd's phone because they had been deleted from Hernandez's phone. Coming up new at 6, hear from a state trooper. He testifies about the fingerprints that were discovered on Hernandez's rental car. Live in Fall River with the Southeastern Massachusetts Mobile Newsroom, Susan Campbell, Eyewitness News.
Now, Aaron Hernandez on trial. Today, jurors heard from a housekeeper who says she saw the former football player tamper with his surveillance system.
And new at 6, we're hearing from a state trooper about the dozens of fingerprints they found in his rental car. From the Southeastern Massachusetts Mobile Newsroom, Eyewitness News reporter Susan Campbell is outside Fall River Superior Court.
State police processed several pieces of evidence in this case looking for fingerprints. They found prints on some things, not on others. When state police processed Aaron Hernandez's rented silver Altima, they found 35 latent prints on it, many of them from Hernandez and his 2 co-defendants, Ernest Wallace and Carlos Ortiz. Others from their alleged victim, Lloyd.
I form the opinion that Mr. Lloyd's print was on the rear passenger inside door handle.
Did you form an opinion with regards to whether or not Mr. Hernandez's fingerprint appeared within the Nissan Altima?
I did.
And what is that opinion?
I formed the opinion that 2 of the latents on the inside driver's side door handle were from Mr. Hernandez.
State police also processed 45 caliber shell casings discovered during the investigation, as well as this .22 caliber gun that was recovered in the woods near the crime scene. There were no fingerprints on any of these items. On cross-examination, the defense questioned the trooper's credentials and fingerprint expertise. The cross-examination will continue tomorrow morning. In Fall River with the Southeastern Massachusetts Mobile Newsroom, Susan Campbell, Eyewitness News.